The Funtaki 61-key keyboard is an excellent choice for beginners and music enthusiasts of all ages, featuring lighted keys that make learning easy and fun. This keyboard offers a wide array of sounds, with 200 tones, 200 rhythms, and 32 types of percussion, providing a rich and versatile musical experience. With its portable design, the Funtaki keyboard can be powered by either a USB cable or 4A batteries, making it perfect for both home use and outdoor performances. Beginners will benefit from the 2 teaching modes and piano note stickers, which guide users from novice to advanced levels with ease. The keyboard's multifunctional capabilities include features like record and program functions, allowing performers to refine their skills and enhance their musical creativity. With a sturdy build and a variety of included accessories, such as a microphone and sheet music stand, this keyboard offers great value and convenience for budding musicians.